All right, today we're going to be making a pork tenderloin in an Instant Pot. Super, super simple. Now this one is frozen. So you can cook these without thawing them. It's better to thaw them, but without thawing them. And this is, if you see right there, it's a little over 1 pound. A tenderloin is not the same as a pork loin. These are smaller and typically way less, and usually takes a little less time to actually cook them. But because it's frozen, we've got to add some time. I'll tell you what those are in a minute. So to get started, before I open this, we started with our Instant Pot. And the first thing I did, put 2 cups of water in it and 1 tablespoon of a chicken broth, just for a little extra flavoring. And then I don't have a trivet, so I actually use this. It's a vegetable steamer for the Instant Pot. We'll get back to that in a minute. Then we open this, and I'll show you what to do next. Apparently we need to sharpen the knife, the scissors here. Now, once you wrestle it out of the packaging, the problem is, it won't fit. So what I do is I cut this bad boy in half. Actually, that helps it to move. But then you can squeeze it in here, like so. Unless there's an obvious seasoning on one side or the other, it doesn't really matter. Just squeeze it in there. I'm going to close this up, and then I'll show you how long to cook it for. Now I'm doing it for 20 minutes. That's a little long. You could experiment with 15, but because it's frozen, it may not be quite long enough. So I'm going to let it go for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, let it release pressure naturally for about 10 minutes. Then you can check the temperature, make sure it's over 145, and you should be done. We'll be back. All right, so I didn't show the release, but there's the final product. Looks delicious. Enjoy.